Are you feeling overwhelmed by the endless options of smart devices and sensors available for your home? With so many choices, it's easy to feel lost and unsure of where to start. But don't worry, you're not alone. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. In this video, we are explaining the different types of smart devices and sensors available in the market today. Smart devices are a significant investment for your home automation system, so it's natural to stress over the right choices. The variety and complexity can be daunting, leaving you wondering which ones are the best fit for your needs. By understanding the key functions and use cases of various smart devices and sensors, you can make informed decisions and create a smart home that perfectly suits your lifestyle. Smart devices and sensors are essential for home automation. The central hub acts as the brain, connecting and managing all devices. Sensors are the eyes and ears, detecting environmental changes and triggering actions. Controllers make things happen based on sensor data, either independently or through integration with the hub. By combining all three elements and programming effective automations, you can create a system that anticipates your needs, saves time, and reduces mental effort on routine tasks. The vast array of smart home products can be overwhelming. Each device serves a specific purpose, so understanding your needs is crucial. Whether you want to improve energy efficiency, enhance security, or simplify daily routines, choose devices that align with your goals. Choosing a hub is the first crucial decision you'll make for your home automation system. It serves as the central command center, collecting data from all your devices and sensors, processing it, and performing automations. Consider these key criteria: offline operation, consolidated control, automation flexibility, device compatibility, communication protocols, vendor independence, future expansion, and privacy protection. By carefully evaluating these criteria, you'll be well on your way to selecting the perfect hub for your smart ecosystem. Remember, everyone's needs are unique, so feel free to prioritize the factors that matter most to you. This decision will serve as the foundation for your entire home automation system. The rest of the home automation devices can be categorized into two major groups: sensors and controllers. Sensors detect changes in their environment and trigger actions based on those changes. Let's explore the various categories of sensors, along with their typical use cases. Motion sensors notify you if someone has entered a room or space. They can trigger a wide range of automations. The most common uses include turning on lights and activating security alarm systems. Presence sensors, a relatively new addition to the market, use a different type of sensor to detect the presence of people in a room without requiring movement. They are ideal for turning off the lights or the TV when no one is present, helping you save energy. You can also use presence information to control the temperature in unoccupied rooms. Contact sensors, also known as door-window sensors, activate when a door, window, or even a fridge or cupboard opens or closes. Their small size and long battery life allow for a wide range of creative use cases. Temperature sensors measure the temperature and humidity of a room at regular intervals. They are mostly used to provide information alongside or instead of a smart thermostat or other environmental control systems. Flood sensors detect water leaks on surfaces where they are placed. They are commonly used for safety under the sink, around the water heater, or in the basement. Vibration sensors trigger when they detect vibration. They can be used for security on windows or to detect presence when attached to furniture or work surfaces like the kitchen counter. Brightness sensors measure the light level in a room by providing a brightness value at regular intervals. They are useful for lighting automations based on available natural light. Air quality sensors, depending on the model, can detect harmful substances, particulates, and the percentage of carbon dioxide in the room. They can be used to trigger ventilation, fans, or just to notify you to open a window. Multi-sensors combine two or more of the above functions in a single device. Common examples are motion sensors that can also measure brightness, or air quality sensors that can monitor temperature. Controllers receive signals from sensors and perform actions based on those signals. Let's explore the most common categories of controllers. Light bulbs provide white light over a range of light temperatures or a full range of RGB colors. They are usually dimmable, allowing you to create the right atmosphere or save energy by turning the brightness down. Wall switches replace traditional switches for controlling lights or blinds. Some also allow you to adjust the brightness or activate scenes. Since everyone is familiar with wall switches, they are the most user-friendly way to control your smart home. Inline switches can be installed on any device that uses a power cord, acting like the switches on bedside lamps, floor lamps, or similar. To avoid fires and other accidents, pay close attention to the power requirements of your device to ensure the switch is safe to use. Wireless switches and buttons are battery-operated and can be easily mounted on any surface. They can be programmed to control almost anything connected to your system. Sockets and power strips can control the power supply to any device connected to them. Some also measure power consumption and are used for fans, heaters, coffee makers, and more. They can detect if a device is on or off, but ensure they are safe for devices that draw large amounts of power. Infrared or RF controllers can control any device that uses a remote, such as air conditioners, televisions, and ceiling fans. They are useful for controlling old devices without replacing them. For infrared remotes, the controller must be within the line of sight of the device. Smart thermostats replace traditional wall thermostats and adjust the temperature based on preset conditions. You can use them to adjust the temperature based on occupancy, time of day, or daily routines. Some advanced thermostats may require an internet connection. Smart radiator valves are installed on each radiator separately and can regulate the temperature of each room independently, enhancing comfort and energy efficiency. Blinds and curtain controllers allow you to control the position of your blinds or curtains through motorized systems. They can help manage the amount of natural light entering a room or improve privacy. Smart appliances like fridges, washing machines, and air conditioners may have built-in smart functionality. However, their value depends on the quality of the implementation, their compatibility with hubs, and whether they require a cloud connection for their features. Often, affordable sensors can replicate their smart features, so consider your alternatives. Understanding the types of smart devices and sensors will help you make informed decisions. Start by identifying your primary needs and drafting automations. Select devices that support your designed automations and consider using sensors for multiple purposes. Do thorough research before purchasing. With a bit of planning, you can create a home that serves your needs on a reasonable budget. The time invested will reward you with a more efficient and comfortable home. And that's it for today. What smart devices and sensors have you found most helpful in your home? Which ones do you wish you had invested in sooner? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.